Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to message friends in Archero 2. In Archero 2, the new friends feature now lets you directly chat with other players. To message a friend, simply head to the Friends tab, and once someone is added, you'll notice a small chat bubble next to the energy request and receive buttons. Tap on it, and you can start a conversation, greet them, or even send emojis to make it fun. Another way to message is through the world chat. Just switch over to private chat, choose the friend you want to talk to, and begin chatting. You can also expand or minimize the chat window with the arrow button for convenience. And if needed, manage your block list in the same section. Plus, don't forget, messaging friends can make coordinating gameplay smoother, whether it's sending energy, sharing tips, or simply staying connected. And that's how you can easily message your friends in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.